When I first melted glass, I instantly knew that's what I wanted to do. Glassblowing is the craft of making glassware by blowing air into molten glass. Many people imagine a large workshop with a furnace in the middle. Ours is lamp working, so instead of the furnace, we use gas burner.
1 in 10's got a natural ability for it. It's just a touch. If you were to watch Ayako and me, there will be differences that most people won't notice.
Our process starts from tubes. So our tube is the blowing iron itself.
A simple thing like a test tube will take a couple of minutes. Something more complex, that could take a couple of days. The actual starting point is usually the discussion and sketch.
Designing a glassware is really a mutual effort between the chemist and the glassblower. If the chemist understands the basic of glassblowing, then that frees their imagination, like what's possible to do with glass.
When I left high school, I never really knew what I wanted to do. I'd always been into art and graphic design and music. And my mother dragged me to the careers office and I seen Scientific Glassblower. That's how I landed in it, an apprenticeship.
I came from the sculptural lampwork background. I really like intricate pieces.
The weird thing with glass is we never get to touch it when we're working with it. When you're turning on the lathe, relatively small items you can turn at high speed. The bigger it gets, the more it wants to expand by itself.
Craft skills in general suffer these days. The world moves faster. Not many people can invest enough time and money. In glass specifically, energy costs a lot. So many universities have already closed their glass workshops, but by losing their own in-house glass blowers, they are missing the opportunity to provide students and researchers tailor-made services, because unprecedented research may need unprecedented glassware as well.
It's really diverse, the amount of work that comes through the workshop, both chemistry, campus and outside work we do as well. There's different levels of what's possible with a machine, but if you've got a glassblower, they can do the whole thing.
A lot of knowledge has already been lost, but so I don't think it'll completely die out. There will always be a need for glassblowers.